Testing, making sure we're actually live here. I'm making sure we're live. Hello. Okay, I think we're live. I just want to make sure. So let's get this. So in this live stream, we're gonna be talking about the radar coverage here. We're gonna be doing radar coverage here about the severe weather in Wisconsin today, and the severe thunderstorm warnings and the tornado warnings that are going on, everyone. So let's get started. So all right, everyone. So let's get this show on the road. So all right, everyone. So it looks like making sure we're actually live here because okay, yeah, we are live. Okay. So all right, we've got one tornado warning here in Wisconsin right now. We can see that's issued at 7:43 EDD time. We can see on here, everyone, by the Marquette, Michigan National Weather Service. We can see here at 7:43 p.m. EDD time, Monday, July 20th, 2026. We can see on here, tornado warning remains in effect until 8:15 p.m. EDD time, until for 7:15 p.m. CDD time for southwestern Delta and east central Monomoy counties. We can see on here at 7:43 p.m. 6:43 Central, so you're storm's capable of producing a tornado located 8 miles southeast of Powers or 20 miles southeast of Ensemble. You can see moving southeast at 25, tornado and baseball size hail. Flying debris will be dangerous to Caulfield shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles occur. Tier damage is likely max hail size 2.75 inches. If you live in this area, you better be in your safe spots already because there was a shoot about 8 minutes ago. So, capable of producing a tornado here. So, let's check out our velocity on this tornado warning and see what's going on here. So yeah, we do have a bit of velocity here. We got about 77 mile per hour winds in here. We can see right now in this storm or tornado warning. We can see here right now, everyone, 77 mile per hour winds. We can see. Then we're gonna take a look at our of course we're gonna take a look at our rotation track on this storm, everyone, we're talking about here. So oh yeah, we do have a little bit of rotation track. We do see here the red and stuff and yellow. You can see also on here on this tornado track. We can see on here, everyone, this rotation track. You can see. So yeah, guys, this track and this is a bit of rotation we see with this rotation track here. See our hail size with this. So our max estimated hail size looks like about 1.4, 1.5 inches we see of hail falling in the storm right now as we're talking. So of course, let's take a look at our take a look at our severe thunderstorm warnings we're talking about right now. Okay, that's below severe limits. All right, so got some severe thunderstorm warnings over here in New Mexico and Arizona right now. We're seeing. Alright, it looks like we got a new severe thunderstorm warning that was issued at 6:49 p.m. CDD time, but looks like severe thunderstorm warning remains into effect at 7:15 p.m. for southeastern Kawak. We can see on here in southwestern Washington counties at 6:49 p.m. CDD time. Severe thunderstorms located over 1 mile over 2 miles west of Washington. We can see moving southeast at 35, 60 mile per hour, wind gusts and $50 size hail. You see radar indicated. Hail damage to vehicles, executive wind damage to roofs, sliding in trees, Brighton, Richland, Towan, Lake Darling State Park, and Wamba. Tornado watch remains effective until 10 p.m. CDD time from southeastern Iowa. For your protection, move to interior middle lower store. Report your severe weather. Contact your nearest law enforcement. They will send a report to the National Weather Service in the Quad Cities. Max hail size 1.25 inches and max wind gusts of 60 miles per hour. We can see with this storm on here right now, everyone. So. Alright, so of course we're gonna hold on, I'm trying to say okay, yeah, we just got a new severe thunderstorm warning by the National Weather Service for Quad Cities, Iowa, and Illinois. We can see at 6:53 p.m. CDD time. We can see on here, everyone. So you can see a severe thunderstorm warning is located over 1 or 12 miles north of Fairfield. We can see also on here moving south at 30 miles per hour, 60 mile per hour wind gusts, quarter size hail. Radar indicated hail damage to vehicles, except wind damage to roofs, sliding in trees. Fear for Libertyville, Black Ridge, Madison, Vic City, Packwood, Pleasant Plain, for Mississippi Airport. East Pleasant Plain, Glasgow, Germanville, Jefferson County Fairgrounds, Jefferson County Park. We can see on here, Salinan, Collin, Ron Power Park, and Backriff. We can see max hail size 1 inch and max wind gusts of 60 miles per hour. We can see with this, guys. Alright, so we're going to take a look at our velocity rates in this area. It looks like Iowa right now. Alright, so okay, it looks like it looks like we do have a bit of wind in this. Looks like maybe 60 mile per hour wind gusts is what they're saying. 61 maybe in some areas we can see on here. Also over 159. You can see what the storm mile per hour wind gust is. So let's take a look at our estimated hail size on the storm, everyone, right now. So our estimated hail looks like it's maybe on this storm over here about looks like about maybe an inch of hail we're seeing fall maybe near Richland right now. We're seeing on here right now, guys, about 1 inch of hail we're seeing on here right now as we're talking. So alright, so let's take a look at these storms over here. Alright, this was issued at 6:54 p.m. A new severe thunderstorm warning was issued by National Weather Service at Des Moines, Iowa. We see 6:54 p.m. CDD time, Monday, July 20th, 2026. Severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 7:15 p.m. Central for South Boone County. We see a severe thunderstorm located over Kenselbrick. We can see our 8 miles north of Sagawan, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. 60 mile per hour wind gusts with $0.5 size hail. Radar indicated. Hail damage vehicles expected. Wind damage, road sliding and trees. Bona. You can see on here Oregon, Boney, Speedway, Lufer, Fuzzy, Booney, Mooseville Airport, and Legend State Park. Max hail size 1.25 inches, and max wind gusts of 60 miles per hour. We see with the storm on here right now, guys, as we're talking. So, alright, so let's see. We have currently 16 severe thunderstorm warnings. We're still tracking one severe tornado warning as we're talking over here. With max hail size at 2.75 inches estimated. So let's see what's going on with this storm over here again over in Wisconsin right now. So alright, everyone, so this storm looks like this we're reporting winds of 75 miles per hour, looks like, on this velocity thing right now in this tornado warning. This is it looks like, let's check our rotation too again. So our rotation on here, some bit of rotation, I might actually potentially touch down here because this is a strong rotation, I gotta say. There's pretty strong winds with this, I gotta say. 77 mile per hour winds we're seeing with this storm right now as we're talking. So also estimated hail size looks like it's about 0.7 inches on here right now as we're talking. So about 0.7 inches of hail we're talking about in this storm right now as we're seeing right now as we're talking. So alright, so alright, let's talk about, let's see, looks like we got a severe thunderstorm warning over here in North Carolina. That was issued about 15 minutes ago. Let's check on this storm as we're talking. So check our velocity rates over here in North Carolina. Okay, it doesn't. Okay, we may be seeing. Looks like 55 mile per hour wind gusts as we're saying, 50 something, maybe 50, 55, maybe, or maybe 58, near 60, maybe in some areas. So, okay, so let's move on to our storm Zach over here. So, all right, so this one has a pretty strong rotation, I gotta say. Then over here we got a severe thunderstorm watch. That was this issued uh, 9 minutes ago by the Storm Prediction Center in Norman, Oklahoma at 7:50 p.m. EDD time. At 7:59 p.m. Right now as we're talking, okay, 8 o'clock now. So tornado intensity could peak 85 to 110 in this area. Wind gusts of 55 to 70 possible. In this area, tornado intensity could be as high as 120 to 145. We can see on this missile discussion as we're talking right now. So all right, so let's take a look at our severe weather outlook for the rest of the evening. So we can see here we got an enhanced risk in Wisconsin, Iowa. We can see Illinois. We can see Minnesota. Then we got Cyrus in Michigan, Illinois, Indiana. We can see Iowa, Minnesota. We can see also margin risk in Michigan. Fort Wayne, we can see is on there. Illinois, Indiana, Minnesota. Then we got Cyrus over here in North Carolina, too. You can see South Carolina. Then we got a margin risk in Florida. You can see right now that a tropical storm is officially tropical storm now. As we're talking, it's a tropical storm now, everyone. So let's talk about tornado risk. We've got a 10% tornado risk for parts of Wisconsin. Looks like Iowa too, Illinois. We can see also on here a significant one. A 10% tornado risk. We can have EF3 plus tornadoes potentially in Wisconsin, Iowa. We can see also on here. So then we got a 30% risk for parts of Wisconsin, Iowa. Today, Illinois is a significant one. We can see potential for really damaging winds. We can see then a 15% risk for parts of Illinois, Indiana, Iowa. We can see also on here Minnesota. We can see then our hail risk is going to be a 15% hail risk, significant one. We can see on here everyone 15% hail risk, significant one in Wisconsin, Iowa, Illinois. We can see also everyone on here. So then we're going to take a look at our day 2 severe weather risk over here in PA, Ohio. We see Ohio, PA is in this enhanced risk for tomorrow. West Virginia, Washington, D.C. We see New Jersey on here. Then we got a 5% tornado risk for parts of Ohio. Kentucky tomorrow. We see on here PA, New York for Tuesday. Then our wind risk tomorrow is going to be really high. 45% risk for parts of Ohio. PA, Philadelphia is on there. New Jersey, Maryland, we can see also. Then our hail risk tomorrow is going to be a 15% hail risk for parts of Kentucky, PA, Maryland, New Jersey, New York, and Kentucky. We can see also on here. All right, so let's get back to talking about our radar now. So looks like a new severe thunderstorm warning that was issued at 7:02 p.m. CDD time by the Quad City of Iowa, Illinois. We can see 7:02 p.m. CDD time, Monday, July 20th, 2026. A severe thunderstorm warning may in effect till 8 p.m. CDD time for Jefferson County. At 7:01 p.m. CDD time, a severe thunderstorm is located near Parley, or 8 miles north of Fairfield, moving south at 30 miles per hour, 60 miles per hour, wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Radar indicated hail, the damage of vehicles except wind damage, road sliding in trees. Fairfield, Liberty Valley, Lockridge, Marshall, Ventura City, Packwood. We can see on here Pleasant Plain, Fairfield Municipal Airport, Pearly, East Pleasant Plain, Glasgow, Germanville, Jefferson County Fairground, Jefferson County, Slyland, Colette. You can see Rodland Power Park, back with max hail size 1 inch and maximum gusts of 60 miles per hour. We can see with this storm on here, everyone, right now. So we're gonna take a look at our velocity rates right now as we're talking on this storm. So our velocity rates are gonna be, it looks like some areas are maybe picking up maybe 61 mile per hour wind gusts, as we can see over here. Maybe like that lighter blue, maybe we're picking up about 61 in there. We can see near Fairfield right now as we're talking. So then we're gonna check on our then we got let's check on our tornado warning that's been going on. So all right, so at 8:02 p.m. A new tornado warning was just issued. Tornado warning remains effective until 8:15 p.m. EDD time, 7:15 p.m. CDD time for southwestern Delta and east central Miami counties at 8:02 p.m., 7:02 p.m. CDD time. Severe thunderstorms capable of producing a tornado located 9 miles north of Cedar River or 18 miles southwest of Allenshire, moving southeast at 25. Tornado and baseball size hail. Max wind gusts is at 2.75 inches. If you live in this area, you got to get to your safe spots. This is let's check our rotation again on here. So, of course, we're gonna check our velocity first, actually. So, all right. So, yeah, we do have a bit of velocity on this. I gotta say, yeah, we do have about 60-mile-per-hour wind still on this. 65, we can see on here. All right. So we're gonna take a look at our velocity rates real quick. So. Yeah, we do have we do have a bit of rotation on this. I gotta say, guys, and right here a bit of rotation. I gotta say, a lot of rotation actually with this as we're talking in Wisconsin. So in a second here, I'm gonna go post something real quick, and it's gonna just be 1 second. Hold on, guys. So let me go post this real quick onto my Instagram story so more of you guys can see this live coverage. Just give me like maybe 30 seconds to 45 seconds to do this. So it's gonna be really quick. So all right, just one more second, guys. All right, just 30 more seconds, guys, then we could go back to looking at the radar. Just one more second, guys. I'm so sorry. All right, hold on, guys. One more. Sorry, just 20 more seconds. All right. I'm so sorry about that, guys. We are gonna go back to all right, so we're gonna go back to live now. So all right, we're gonna go back to going live now. So all right, hold on. So let's see. We got 10 severe thunderstorm warning right now as we're talking. So we got I'm gonna see what's new. So all right, 6:54. That was Okay, it looks like that's okay. This was 6:47, but we can just talk about this. I wasn't on stream for this one. So, National Weather Service at Des Moines, Iowa, has issued a new severe thunderstorm warning. We can see by northern Platte County. We can see in central Iowa. We can see southern Story County in central Iowa, northwestern Jasper County in central Iowa, southeastern Boone County in central Iowa, until 7:30 p.m. CDD time. At 6:46 p.m. CDD time, severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near Crowley to Huxley to 4 miles northeast of Berkeley, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. 70-mile-per-hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. We can see on here radar indicated hail damage to vehicles expected, considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, Ames, Ankling, Johnson, Altoona, Grims, Nevada, Burlington, Polk City, Huxley, Saylorville, Madder, Mitchellville, Slater, Granger, Slaterville Lake, Big Creek Lake. We can see Maxwell, Cambridge. This storm has max wind gusts of 70 miles per hour. Let me see even now. What was that about? Okay, whatever. Okay. All right. So. All right. So. Let's check on our tornado warning again. That's what the. I thought there was just one for 8:02. That's weird. Okay. Or did they cancel the other one we were just talking about like a few minutes ago? So I don't know. That's weird. Okay. Hold on. So. Hold on. So. Let me. I'm trying to think of what I'm gonna say. So. Okay. So. Hold on, real quick. I don't know what's going on. So. Just real quick, guys. Hold on. Just 1 second. All right, guys. I'm sorry about that. So we are back. So let's get this stream going. So more. So all right. So I'm so sorry about that, guys. So let's get this stream going. So I apologize about being away for how long was that? 30 seconds that was. So let's get back to doing it. So all right. So all right. So let's check out what's going on. So we do still have our same severe thunderstorm warnings, but we do still have a tornado warning currently going on in parts of Wisconsin here. It looks like it's going to expire right now as we're talking at 8:02 p.m. EDD time. Tornado warning remains effective until 8:15 p.m. at EDD time. At 8:02 p.m. EDD time, severe thunderstorms capable of producing a tornado was located 9 miles north of Cedar River, 18 miles southwest of Onslow, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour in tornado and baseball sized hail. Radar indicator rotation. We can see with this flying debris will be dangerous to those car without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Tornadic thunderstorm over mainly rural areas of southwestern Delta and east central Montgomery counties. Take cover now if you live in this area. I hope you guys already took cover a long time ago. So this tornado warning is about to expire any second now as we're talking. So, all right, guys. So doesn't I'm trying to see what we can talk about here. There's not much to talk about actually. All right, so I'm trying to see what okay, that's gonna expire now. Okay, so this is the same one from earlier. All right, everyone. So I don't know what to talk about actually here. So we can see how fast our wind speeds are still over here. What's going on? Now it expires in 1 minute. What is going on here? It doesn't said it was gonna expire right now. That's so strange. Hold on, my radar's acting so strange. Okay. I don't know what's going on here. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. What is going? Okay, I don't know what's going on here. So radar's glitching a bit. I don't know. It's kind of weird. All right, so it looks like we got a new tornado warning that was issued a few minutes ago by National Weather Service at Green Bay, Wisconsin. National Weather Service in Green Bay has issued a tornado warning for northern Door County in northeastern Wisconsin. We can see northern Door County in northeastern Wisconsin until 8 p.m. CDD time. At 12 p.m. CDD time, severe thunderstorms capable of producing a tornado located 19 miles north of Newport State Park or 38 miles northeast of Marinette, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Tornado and quarter-size hail. You can see flying debris will be dangerous to those car without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged to roofs. Windows and vehicles occur. Tree damage is likely in Rock Island, Detroit Island. We're going to be talking about here also too, guys. Other locations include Rock Island State Park, as we're talking, in Washington Island. Max hail size 1 inch. We can see with this tornado warning right now. So we're gonna check out. We only have 3 severe thunderstorm warnings, guys. This looks like over here looks like our worst storm right now as we're talking. So let's of course let's take a look at our velocity rates here. We're gonna take a look at our velocity. So in this area, we have a bit of velocity. You can see over here in orange, we can see a little of. Looks like maybe about 60 mile per hour wind gusts maybe, or 50 mile per hour wind gusts over here. You can see right now as we're talking. So yeah, guys. So let's take a look at our max. I'm trying to see our max hail size. We can see our max hail size over here right now is maybe 1.5 inches. We can see also on here 1.3 inches. We can see on here too. Okay. Let's see something. I'm trying to think. So let's take a look at our rotation track as we're talking. So in this area, we can see our rotation track a bit right now in this area. A bit of rotation out in our tornado warning. We see higher, indicating higher winds in that area. We have currently only very severe thunderstorm warnings, guys, right now. So all right, so Then not that long ago at 7:11, we got a new severe thunderstorm warning by Des Moines, Iowa. You can see on here, you can see National Weather Service in Des Moines has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Clark County. We can see also on here in central Iowa. You see northwestern Marion County and south central Iowa, western Jasper County and central Iowa, northern Warren County and south central Iowa until 8 p.m. CDD time. At 11 p.m. CDD time, a severe thunderstorm is located over Pure Meadows or over Altoona, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. We see 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. We can see hail damage to vehicles expected, except wind damage for roof sliding and trees. Des Moines, West Des Moines, Anchor, Unbrodale, Johnson, Clava. We can see Newton, Altoona. We can see also on here Norwalk, Pleasant Hill, Grimm's, Windsor Heights, Carlisle's, Burden, Slayerville, Mitchellville. We can see also on here Cloudlex, Mono, Paris City, and Granger. This is max hail size of 1 inch and max wind gusts of 60 miles per hour. We can see with the storm as we're talking, everyone. So yeah, this is not much actually. There's not much going on here. This is I gotta say this is pretty calm actually right now. But we still have one tornado warning we've been talking about for a while now. Like, I'm saying like this is calm compared to a lot of other enhancements to severe weather I've run over live before. So most likely tomorrow Pi will go live because the wind for tomorrow is really high in parts of Ohio, PA. So let's take a look at our I'm trying to see something real quick. So all right, let's take a look at something real quick. So all right, so I'm making sure our stream's doing good. So then you know what? As we're talking about this, so let's take a look over our hurricane tropical storm that's going on. You see on here Tropical Storm Bertha. You see National Weather Service Hurricane Center, Miami, Florida, at 7 p.m. CDD time. We see watch and warnings. This changes for the advisory. Summary watch and warning. Storm surge watch for Alabama, Florida border. We see them off on the Mississippi River. We see tropical storm watch in effect at Ocala River, Florida. Westward, we can see Jefferson Plain Mines. We see Parisian border in Louisiana storm watch. This is a possible life-threatening inundation for rising waters moving inland from coastline during the next 48 hours here. So for storm watch, this is a 7 p.m. CDD time. We can see also on here the center of tropical storm Bertha is located near latitudes of 28.6 north, 86 west. Bertha has been drifting near 3 miles per hour or northwestward, moving expected tonight into Tuesday morning, following west northward. We can see on here near 40 miles per hour. Tropical storm force winds extend outward about 70 miles. We see, then we got all this on here. Isolated tornadoes possible over the Big Bend region this evening. We can see also on here, everyone. So let's go back to talking about our tornado warning over here in Wisconsin. So we're gonna take a look at our velocity rates real quick. All right, our velocity looks a little bit looks like about maybe 50 to 60 we can see mile per hour wind gusts right now as we're talking with this right now as we're talking. So of course we're gonna take a look at our rotation track here, our instant rotation track. Okay, that has went down a bit. Before it was white endings, now it's yellow and red, but it's still some rotation. We can see the strong winds over here in this area where this is all going on. And a water spot is possible over here. You can see right now as we're talking. So then we're going to also check our estimated hail size right now. So our estimated hail size looks like about 1.3, 1.4 inches of hail as we're talking here, guys. So 1.3, 1.4 inches of hail. That's like moderate hail as we're talking about right now. So all right, so let's see what's going on over here in Des Moines as we're talking right now for our hail. So looks like in some of these areas again maybe 1.3, 1.4 inches of hail. 1.2 inches of hail in some of these areas. Des Moines, the suburbs. We could see Mitchellville, maybe about 0.7, 0.6 inches of hail as we're talking on here too. So this one expires in 5 minutes over here. This one expires in 5 minutes. So this one expires in 35 minutes. Let's check this one down here. So this was issued about 11 minutes ago. You see this storm is hitting right now parts of Fairfield right now as we're talking. So we do have let's check our velocity rates in Fairfield right now. So Fairfield looks like maybe we could get up to 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts in some areas. We can see 57, 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts we can see in Fairfield right now as we're talking. So then it looks like we could take a look at over here in North Carolina and see what's going on also over here. Looks like we got a couple special weather statements over here in North Carolina right now also, guys. So it looks like we got some storms in Arizona that's putting down some heavy rain also as we're talking right now. Looks like some of these areas are getting slammed with heavy rain too. So then also we're going to just keep tracking these storms over here, because these storms look like our most this storm looks like our most severe storm right now as we're talking right now. So let's of course take a look at our rotation track on here now. So of course let's take a look. So okay, it looks like it's wumped down a bit in this area where these strong winds are. It looks like it's in the lighter yellow now. That's a good thing. So also we do also have a tropical storm that's going on right now in the Gulf of Mexico as we're talking. So okay, this is 8 p.m. This is where it could be. It's going to be at 2 p.m. tomorrow. 5 p.m. 2 a.m. that means, sorry. 2 p.m. tomorrow. Then it looks like it's going to be making landfall in Louisiana. And when looks like Thursday at 2 a.m. we can see here. Then it's going to become a tropical depression Thursday at 2 p.m. We can see wind gusts is at 46, wind speed 35. Then this is Friday at 2 p.m. we can see on here wind speeds at 29, wind gusts is at 40. We can see also, then it's going to make it over here to Texas over here on July 25th at 2 p.m. We see wind speed of 23, wind gusts is at 35. We see on here also let's see what our highest wind speeds are going to be projected. So looks like our highest wind speeds are going to be on here. Let's check. It looks like 52 miles per hour. Okay. Hold on. So 52-mile-per-hour wind speeds tomorrow, July 22nd, at 2 a.m. on Wednesday. We can see on here. So you can see that's going to be July 22nd, Wednesday at 2 a.m. So that's going to be our strongest part of the storm right here. The projections we can see wind gusts of 63 miles per hour in the Gulf of Mexico. We can see also on here. So doesn't okay. Let's see. Let's check on this area again. So I'm trying to see what we could talk about more. So because there's not much actually going on right now as we're speaking. So let's take a look at our velocity rates over here in Green Bay. You can see area. So Detroit Harbor we can see on here. You can see okay. We got a bit of we do got a bit of I gotta say our velocity rates are about 60 miles per hour right now. 65 miles per hour as we're talking on here, guys. So yeah, that is pretty high, I gotta say. So okay, hold on. So I know that we just got a new severe thunderstorm warning. Did we? Okay, yeah, we just did. Yeah. Okay, this is in Louisiana actually. This severe thunderstorm warning was issued in New Orleans. National Weather Service in New Orleans has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Tomball Parish in southeastern Louisiana until 8:30 p.m. CDD time. We can see also severe thunderstorms located 20 miles west of Delta Lake. We can see on here 24 miles south of Morgan City, moving southeast at 10 miles per hour, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-sized hail. Radar indicated hail damage to vehicles, excessive wind damage or sliding in trees. Severe thunderstorm mainly wood areas of southwestern Tomball Parish. We can see protection move to interior rim of the lower story. Large hail and damaging continuous cloud ground lightning are occurring with this storm right now. Move indoor immediately. Lightning is one of the nature's leading killers. You can see, remember, if you can hear thunder, you're close enough to being struck by lightning. Max hail size 1 inch and max wind gusts of 60 miles per hour. We can see with the storm over near by New Orleans right now. We can see Louisiana. You can see so. Let's take a look at our velocity rates on this storm right now. So, okay, so let's see what we're actually talking about here. So some of these areas, okay, yeah, we can see some higher wind gusts in there, maybe 60, 59. We can see in there in a dark, lighter green. You can see, oh yeah, right here we can see definitely 64 mile per hour wind gusts in that blue thing right there. Okay, so then this expires in 1 hour, and it says a water spot is possible with this. It says in expires in 15 minutes. So water spot possible also. So let's take a look. Let's see what's going on in Iowa still. Okay, Iowa. All right, so then of course we do got a tornado watch this area because of that tornado risk in this area. Tornado watch expires in about 2 hours. We can see a couple intense tornadoes are possible. Scatter damaging winds are likely. Isolated significant gusts up to 75 miles per hour. Scattered large hail. Isolated very large hail events 2.5 inches in diameter possible. Supercell development is underway across northern Iowa. We see on here, and these storms are spread southeastward this evening. The storm environment favors a few strong, intense tornadoes. It says EF2 plus large hail up to 2.5 inches in diameter. Isolated significant severe gusts, as we can see, up 75 miles per hour, especially when there's a supercell and track of modifying outlet flow boundary. Tornado watch area approximately along 85 structural miles east to west line from 10 miles north west of Knoxville, Iowa to 70 miles north. We can see also on here. All right, so let's take a look at our tornado warning once again over here. That's been going on for about across Wisconsin for the last 30 minutes now. So still going on. So we gotta talk about our velocity rates on here also, everyone. So again, so we gotta make sure hope this situation is weakening. So we can see over here, it doesn't look like the highest over here, but we still have some wind gusts. We have 40 miles per hour, 50 miles per hour. We see over here, but over here in this storm, it looks like we do have a bit of wind. We can see maybe 70, 80, 70 maybe in this area. We can see in the yellow, so that's about 70 to 80 in that yellow thing right there, those yellow dots. So yeah, guys. So then also in this area, we do have a tornado watch for half the state of Wisconsin. We can see right now on here. So then we got a missile discussion that was over here that was expires in 43 minutes. We can see it says in this area tornado intensity could peak 85 to 110, winds at 55 to 70, hail 1 inch to 1.75 inches. Okay, looks like we got a new severe thunderstorm warning as we're talking at 7:32 p.m. CDT time, Monday, July 20th, 2026. National Weather Service in Green Bay has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Forest County in northeastern Wisconsin, central Martin County in northeastern Wisconsin. We can see until 8:15 p.m. in CDD time. At 7:32 p.m. CDD time, severe thunderstorms located in 9 miles north of McAlliston Mountain National Area, 22 miles east of Crowden, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. 60 mile per hour wind gusts radar indicated. We can see hail damage to vehicles is expected. Wind damage to roof sliding trees. Around Rigshaw, we can see around 8:10 p.m. CDD time. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Deer Mountain National Area, Bear Lake Campground, Montauk Colony Park, Goodman County Park, Sliver Cliff. We can see Clone Falls. We can see Clone Falls Reservoir, Atherton, Cedarville, max hail size 1 inch. We can see also on here, everyone, and max wind gusts of 60 miles per hour. We can see on here. All right, so we can see also. So, all right, so we're gonna of course take the look at our velocity in this area too. So, all right, yep, we do. Yep, it does say there's some wind in here. Yeah, about. Okay, yep, it looks like it's just made it past 60, maybe 64 in here, 61 maybe. On here we can see it just like made it like into severe thunderstorm warning category. So, all right, yep. Then some of these areas we do have some heavy downpours also. You can see right now also. So let's check our estimated hail size. Okay, our estimated hail size looks like maybe 0.4 inches with this. We can see. Let's check some of these other storms. Our hail size is going to be over here. All right, this storm has a bit of hail. You see this one right here over here has about 1.5 inches of hail as we're talking right now in this area. Then maybe Then in this area, 1 inch of hail potentially. We can see right now estimated hail size 1.2 inches. You can see also on here. So this was issued at 7:11 p.m. So that's still going. So let's check if there's any else other new severe thunderstorm warnings as we're talking. This one expires in about 25 minutes. That tornado warning we're just talking about on here. So all right. So then let's see. Okay, this area is an extreme heat warning that expires tomorrow for Oklahoma. It looks like you can see on here in parts of Arkansas, even looks like parts of Kentucky has an extreme heat warning right now. Then a heat advisory for Tennessee. We can see also everyone as we're talking. So then Arizona, we're gonna move to Arizona real quick and see what's going on over here because there's a so I thought earlier I saw a lot of heavy rain actually coming down here. So yeah, on here, hold on, I gotta get the radar right. Hold on. Oh yeah, some of these areas you can see how heavy the rain's coming down. Extreme heavy rainfall in parts of Arizona right now. So yeah, guys. So right. So this storm right here and this tornado warning is are kind of our most strongest storm things right now we're talking about. So yeah, everyone. So let's of course we're gonna take a look at our severe weather outlook for today. So this is our severe weather outlook for the rest of today. We can see our enhancers for Wisconsin, Iowa, Illinois, and a slight risk for Illinois, Indiana. You can see Michigan, Iowa, Indiana. We got a margin risk. Michigan, we can see. Then we got a slight risk in North Carolina, South Carolina. Then we can see a margin risk in parts of Florida. Also, everyone. Then let's take a look at our tornado risk too. We got a 10% tornado risk, significant one for parts of Wisconsin. Everyone, Iowa, significant one. We have a potential for tornadoes in this area in Wisconsin, Iowa. We can see a 5% tornado risk too. Even parts of Illinois, we can see Iowa. We got a 2% tornado risk in Illinois. We got 2% tornado risk in Michigan too. Everyone on here. So then our wind risk is a 30% wind risk, significant one in Wisconsin too. So all right, everyone. So we're gonna have to go back to the radar in 1 second because a new tornado warning was this issued. So then we got a 15% hail risk, significant one in Wisconsin. We can see in Iowa and Illinois. We can see also on here. Then let's go back to our radar now because we just got a new tornado warning as we're speaking at 7:36 p.m. Central Time in Green Bay, Wisconsin. We've got a new tornado warning at 8:15 p.m. CDD time. So this one is different. A confirmed tornado is actually on the ground here, 10 miles northeast of Marshfield or 25 miles southwest of Wausau, moving east at 20 miles per hour. This is a damaging tornado. Law enforcement confirmed the tornado. Flying debris will be dangerous to those. Call for shelter here. Mobile homes will be damaged, destroyed, damage to roofs and windows and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely around Monski around 8:10 p.m. CDD time. And if you live in this area, you got to get to your safe spots right now, everyone, if you live in this area. So move to the interior of the lowest floor, well-built building, away from windows, everyone. If you're outdoors in a mobile home or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial sector and protect yourself from flying debris. We've got to check this. We got to check the velocity on this, guys. So let's pull. Okay, there we go. So I'm gonna make sure this is actually gonna actually see if this is actually gonna work right. So okay, we just got a looks like another tornado warning as we're speaking at 7:37 p.m. CDD time. National Weather Service in Green Bay has issued another tornado warning. Tornado warning for southeastern Marathon County. We can see in central Wisconsin until 8:15 p.m. CDD time. At 7:37 p.m. CDD time, a severe thunderstorm is capable of producing a tornado located near Weston or 6 miles south of Rochester. Moving east at 20 miles per hour, radar indicated rotation. Flying debris will be dangerous to a Scarfeld shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. We can see on here, everyone. So damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles occur. Tree damage is like Rib Mountain, Register, Monster around 7:40 p.m. CDD time. Winston around 7:45 p.m. CDD time. Brevin around 8:10. We see all these Scarfield, Camp Phillips, Scott Camp. We can see Evergreen, Rib Mountain State Park. We can see Peplin, Riggleland, Peg Lake. We can see Hellerton, Aldwin. We see if you live in this area, get to your safe spots right now, guys. So which one is okay? I'm trying to see our nearest our station where we could get the most accurate velocity rates. So all right. So okay, yeah, we do have a bit of wind with this. We see over Interstate 39 right now. It's picking up about some of these areas easily near 70 mile per hour wind gusts right now. 70 over Interstate 39 right now. Then this is our confirmed tornado warning right now. We can see, yep, we can see our wind gusts is of 68, 71 miles per hour. This tornado right now as we're speaking. So let's take a look at our velocity, I meant our rotation track. Our rotation track with this. Okay, our rotation track isn't really loaded in yet, so we're gonna see what it says in a few minutes here. So estimated hail size. Okay, it doesn't have any estimated hail size with this yet. Okay, so okay, yeah, we can see this of our tornado. Both of our tornado warnings. Roof's Child. We can see the city's called. We got some moderate rain over there where that tornado warning is, and our confirmed tornadoes over here near. Let's see. Near. Looks like it's near. 10 miles northeast of Marshfield. You can see on here, this is where it is right now. It looks like over here somewhere by Stratford. We can see as we're speaking, guys, right now. So, okay, so, all right, so, tornado warnings right now as we're speaking. So, yeah, then over here, we got some extremely heavy rain. We can see in Asamba, we can see Ford River. We can see just a lot of rain we're talking about here, guys. So, yeah, some of these rainfall rates are easily, oh yeah, these are easily like putting down 2 inches here. You can see in an hour. So then we got still a severe thunderstorm warning for here. Then we gotta track these 2 tornado warnings as we're speaking. So take a look at our I'm trying to think what to look at. So I'm interested what we can look at with this. Let's you know what? Let's take a look at our we got heavy rain over Stratford right now. We can see also. So you know what? Let's see if there's our estimated hail size is updated. Okay, it hasn't updated yet. So you know what? I'm interested in actually taking a look at our rotation track instance. So okay, yeah, we do have a bit of rotation track over Roof's Child right now. You can see on here. So then we got a bit of rotation track over Stratford. We can see it's not really loading in yet. So we see here in a few minutes. We're gonna come back in about 2 minutes to see if morning's loading for it because it's not picking up much right now. So this is our Des Moines severe thunderstorm still going on right now in Altoona, Iowa. We can see Paris City. We can see also on here too, everyone. On Newton, we got rain also. Okay, our Fairfield severe thunderstorm warning has just expired, everyone, as we're speaking. So then down here in New Orleans, we still got our severe thunderstorm warning. We can see also down there too, guys. So all right, so then we got a lot of special marine warnings. This one over here is a water spout possible. I think it said earlier. Okay, water spout possible. So let's see anything loaded in yet. So let's see. You know what? Let's look at tomorrow's severe weather risk real quick. Then maybe something will load up and then we can see. So let's take a look at our category risk for tomorrow. So this is what our risk looks like for tomorrow. Everyone, we got an enhanced risk in Ohio, PA, Kentucky, West Virginia, Maryland, New Jersey. We can see an enhanced risk. Let's take a look at our tornado risk tomorrow. We do have a 5% tornado risk for parts of Kentucky, Ohio, PA, New York, Maryland, Delaware, New Jersey, New York City on here. We can see also. Then we do have a wind risk tomorrow of 45%. That's really high. So for parts of Ohio, Pennsylvania, West Virginia, Washington, D.C., this is including to New Jersey, even parts of Ohio. Looks like a Chillicothe, even looks like part of the Columbus suburbs is in there too. You see a 45% reverse and a 30% reverse for parts of looks like Cleveland. We can see Buffalo. We can see Louisville. We can see on here Richmond. We can see Williamsburg. We can see New York City's on here also for tomorrow, everyone. Then we got a 15% hail risk for PA, Ohio. We can see tomorrow New Jersey. We can see also, everyone. So we're gonna get back to talking about our tornado warnings right now because we got a lot of let's say tornado warnings starting more now. So all right, now our tornado warning, everyone, that was issued by the National Weather Service, Green Bay, Wisconsin, at 7:43 p.m. CDD time, Monday, July 20th, 2026. National Weather Service in Green Bay has issued a tornado warning for South Central Lake County in north central Wisconsin, everyone. Central Montgomery County in northeastern Wisconsin, Western Shawnee County in northeastern Wisconsin. At 7:43 p.m. CDD time, severe thunderstorms capable of producing a tornado located 9 miles south of Antigo, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Everyone, radar indicated rotation Flying debris will be dangerous to those out shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Other locations impacted by this tornado include Mountain, Flawlixon, Zoar Lake, Nonson. We can see Middle Village, Gumsum, Ham. We can see College, Meno Nation, and Red River. Max hail size 0 inches with this. So if you live in this area, you got to get to your safe spots right now. Let's check both. Okay, yeah, we got some more velocity ratings now. Yeah, readings now. All right, so we can see on here. Oh yeah, that's a pretty strong wind gusts here with this tornado warning. We got about 70-mile-per-hour wind gusts to 70 in that blue dotted area. You can see in that darker blue, maybe 75 potentially. So then in this area, oh yeah, we're picking up things now. Yeah, you can see 70 on here, maybe even 80 in somebody that darker blue, 80, 90 maybe we can see on there. It will wing the part of the tornado warning. So then over here where our confirmed tornado is, we got maybe about 70-mile-per-hour wind gusts right now. This on here too. So then let's take a look at our velocity track because we're starting to see more things now on here. So yep. Oh yeah, we do have a bit of velocity track with this one over here. The darker red we can see, the yellow we can see also everyone on here too, as we're tracking this right now as we're speaking. So yeah, guys. So alright, so on here we can see I'm trying to see we got our yellow on there. That's we can see on there. That's we do have a bit of rotation track in that one too, but this one doesn't look like it's on the thing right now as we're speaking. It doesn't on this thing, but I don't know it's actually like going on in like person out there. So it looks like it doesn't picking up much rotation track on this monitor right now, but I don't like know about that. So all right, so let's take a look at our yellow on here. That's pretty much some rotation track. We still see it that one. So we're gonna take a look at our of course our estimated hail with this. Let's see if there's any estimated hail with these tornado warnings we can see on here. Okay, it doesn't look like we're picking up much hail on here. Maybe 0.1 inches of hail potentially in this one over here. Maybe over here, maybe not even not much at all. Maybe a 0.5 inches of hail, something really low. So then this severe thunderstorm warning over here as we're speaking, this is maybe about, that's about 0.8, 0.9. We can see a lot more than 0.5 over there. So yeah, that's a more. Also, I'm trying to, I think I was gonna say, so also thank you for the new subscribers and support, guys. Thank you for supporting the stream tonight and watching also. So this is another one, or is this, okay, did we talk, I'm trying to think about this one. So this is a brand new one actually. Yeah, Black River Falls. We can see National River System La Crosse has issued a tornado warning. We can see on here tornado warning for southwestern Jackson County, west central Wisconsin until 8:15 p.m. CDD time. At 7:45 p.m. CDD time, severe thunderstorms capable of producing a tornado located near Black River Falls, moving southeast at 25. Hazardous tornado source radar indicator rotation. Expect damage to roofs, vehicles. Tornadic thunderstorm mainly over rural areas of southwestern Jackson County. This includes the following locations: Fall, Hell Glen, Perry Creek Recreation Area, Sharm Rock. We can see the Black Rock River Falls Airport is on here, Castlemont and Desco. We can see also this includes Interstate 94 between mile markers of 119 and 124. If you live in this area, you got to get to your safe spots, guys, right now. All right, so we're gonna see what our okay, yeah, we do have a bit of rotation with our velocity with this, I meant to say. So all right, yeah, our velocity is in the 70s for sure on here. Some of these looks like some areas are ranging between 62 and looks like 73 as we're speaking right now on here too. Guys, yeah, this with this tornado warning. So yeah, let's of course check our rotation track because that's really important. So okay, yeah, we do have a bit of rotation track on here. In the yellow, we can see over, what's that road called? I'm trying to see, County Highway C right now as we're speaking. Right now as we're talking right now. So all right, County Highway C. All right, so okay, this one has a bit of rotation track more in the red we can see here. Over, looks like, I'm trying to see the city name because the arrow's in the way. It's not letting me look. Okay, it doesn't want me to know. Okay, come on, arrow, get out the way. All right, so looks like it doesn't even show the city name because the arrow's so big it's blocking it. Okay, let's see if it's on here. So All right, so then we can see over in these storms over here. So let's take a look at our all right, yeah, we can see looks like moderate rain in these storms, heavy rain with the tornado warnings. We can see, and this one we have heavy rain over here, but these storms over here, it looks like they're moving on to looks like let's see, Lake Michigan right now. Extremely heavy rain looks like over in these areas right now too. So okay, so our Black River Falls, we got looks like by Black River Falls we do have a tornado warning. The Falls area airport's in it, so looks like half of Black River Falls is in it, but this area ain't in it. It says on there. So okay, so we got 7 severe thunderstorm warnings as we're talking. So oh, wow, this one over here. Okay, wow, this is interesting. Okay, a severe thunderstorm warning was this issued by Cheney, Wyoming at 6:49 p.m. Mountain Time. A severe thunderstorm was located 13 miles northwest of Lungi. We can see a 15 miles north of Torrington, moving southeast at 20. Ping pong ball size hail, 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts. Radar indicated people and animals and outdoors will be injured. Except hail damage for sliding in windows and vehicles. Except wind damage for sliding in trees. The severe thunderstorm will mainly over rural areas. Of course, after we can see in northeastern Goshen counties. For your protection, move to the interior or the lowest floor of the building. Max hail size 1.5 inches and max wind gusts of 60 miles per hour. So we can see on there, look how heavy that rain is. That's purple in the radar indicate on there right now. So we're gonna see what's actually going on with the hail on this storm too. Okay, estimated hail size. Oh yeah, we do have a bit of hail, maybe 1.1, 1.2 inches in Wyoming right now as we're talking. So we're gonna also talk about our no rotation track with that storm. So let's check our velocity rates with this storm in Wyoming real quick because this is an interesting storm actually. So okay, yeah, we do have a bit of wind. Maybe some areas are maybe picking up 64-mile-per-hour wind gusts as we can see on here. So we're gonna go back to talk about our tornado warnings over here in Wisconsin. Just wanted to take a look at that one because that one that's just interesting, guys. Because you don't like that purple on the radar. You don't see that every you know what I mean. You don't see that every like moment of the day. So all right, so all right, let's of course we're gonna go back to talking about tornado warnings now. So all right, this expires in 23 minutes. We're gonna take a look at our rotation tracks again on here because we're gonna have to see if they updated. Okay, we do have a bit of rotation track over. Looks like these roads right now. Morse Hill Road, Thomason Road. You can see right now the yellow. Then we got over here. Okay, this one. These don't have much rotation track is picking up right now. If you read tornado warnings on here right now. So let's take a look at our of course our velocity rates over here in the Green Bay River Service, what they're saying. So oh yeah, we do. Oh yeah, over here in that dark blue, it looks like it's maybe 80 or 90-mile-per-hour wind gusts is just picking up in one of these areas in the darker blue. Then the lighter blue, we can maybe see 75 on here, 73. We can see also 72 on here, 77 over 153 right now, 72. We can see actually with this one, this is observed. It's actually confirmed tornado on the ground. So yep, we can tell over here with these colors. Yep, that means there is a tornado on the ground. Surely because we're picking up wind speeds of 100 in some of these areas, and purple. We can see also on here over 100 in some of these purple colors. We can see 90. We can see that that pretty much means there is a tornado on the ground because when they're usually indicating that there's debris, that means that other things being ripped around in like those darker colors. Not to be honest, because that's scary. So all right, so let's check our radar once again. Yep, we do see our heavy rain, moderate rain, our tornado in this area right now as we're speaking. So then this one is our radar indicated. This will capable of producing a tornado still over here right now as we're speaking. So that storm is capable of still producing a tornado. So a couple of these storms. So yeah, guys. So let's keep let's see. All right, yeah. So pretty much with these storms on here right now. So before it was I say it was not before, it looks like it's getting worse now. So yeah, all right, so got another tornado warning again. in Green Bay, Wisconsin, 7:53 p.m. CDD time. National Weather in Green Bay has issued a tornado warning for central Marinette County, northeastern Wisconsin. We can see at 7:53 p.m. CDD time, severe storms capable of producing a tornado located 9 miles northeast of McTelliston Mountain National Area, or 29 miles east of Cardin, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Tornado and quarter-size hail. Radar indicator location. We can see flying debris with dangerous, just carve out shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely once a car around 8:25. Other locations impacted by the tornado include Silver Cliff. We can see on here Manitowoc County Park, Colonel Falls, Reese, Allison. Moving into the interior, lower relevant structure away from windows. If you're outdoors in a mobile home, move to the closest residential shelter and protect yourself with flying debris. If you live in this area, get to your safe spots right now, because this is these tornado warnings are serious. Oh my God, guys, this is not good. I think we just got another tornado warning. This is not good, guys. So, all right, 6 tornado warnings now. So we gotta find a new tornado warning that was just issued somewhere. Let's look. Alright, so this is the new one. National Weather Service at Green Bay, Wisconsin has issued a new tornado warning for central Warren County in central Wisconsin. We see at 7:55 p.m. CDD time, severe storms capable of producing a tornado located 12 miles southwest of Marshfield or 26 miles west of Wisconsin Rapids, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazardous tornado radar indication. Flying debris will be dangerous, shows carve out shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles occur. Tree damage is likely in Pittsville around 8:20. We can see CDD time. Wisconsin Rapids around 8:40 p.m. CDD time. Other locations impacted by this tornado include Lindsay, Nasonville, Northwood County Park, Venema, Bethlehem, Powers Bluff County Park, Dixer. We can see Valley on here, Apron. We can see Vesper out in Walker. We can see moving into the interior room of the lowest floor, we can see build structure. If you live in this area, get to your safe spots right now, guys. So we gotta check our velocity rates on all these. Is this the new one? So I'm just trying to find what a new one is because there are so many tornado warnings in a row. All right, get this. Oh my God, that is so confusing sometimes. Okay. All right, so we can see on here we're indicating about some of these areas easily over 60 mile per hour wind gusts right now as we're talking. In that lighter blue, we're indicating maybe 61, 64. In the green area, maybe 45 to 50. So we're gonna take a look at our rotation track in these areas. So okay, it's not picking up much yet. So okay, is this the one? This one is picking up a bit of rotation track. We see the red and white cell on there. Or this one past, it looks like just a little past melatonin or something it's called. Some city names are just hard to pronounce. Alright, so let's take a look at our what's that called? Let's take a look at our max hail size with these storms right now as we're speaking. So okay, max hail size does not look much with these storms. Alright, so this tornado warning over here has a lot of hail. I gotta say compared to the other ones, maybe an inch of hail. We've seen some of these storms over here. So, alright, so let's see where our damaging tornadoes are. Okay, one of our damaging tornadoes right now are saying right here. Still on damaging tornadoes we can see on here. So, let's take a look at our velocity here. Okay, yeah, we do see 70 mile per hour winds on our velocity rates right now. So, as we're speaking, so where's our other one? So, okay, our other one is right here. We see Black River Falls. We can see this is confirmed tornadoes located over Black River. We can see moving east at 20 on here right now. Interstate 94 between mile markers of 119 and 124. Tornadoes on the ground. Everyone better be in their safe spots right now. So, let's take a look at our this is the red we can see on here. This means away from the radar. So let's see some of these okay 60 on here. Some of these things are picking up, it says right now. So all right, so let's take a look. Let's take a look at our rotation track again, guys, because that's important for everyone to see on here. So okay, our things, the rotation track things doesn't seem like it's picking up much on according to these things, they ain't picking up much on the rotation track monitors right now. So of course we're gonna see what else. There's 6 tornado warnings going on right now across Wisconsin. That's a lot of tornado warnings right now. So this one has heavy rain. Why is it doing that? No, okay. Okay, max hail size. 1 inch at this tornado warning right now. It's capable of producing a tornado. It says that one too. So we're gonna check over here and see what's going on. So any new severe thunderstorm warnings we could talk about over here. Okay, so nothing really new. This really heavy rain still we see with this on here. All right, let's check our velocity on this storm, everyone, right now. So okay, yeah, our velocity on this storm is looks like some of these areas maybe 60, 50 we can see on here also too, guys. So all right, so we got, oh no, let's see. Okay, looks like a new tornado warning was issued at 8 p.m. CDD time by the National Weather Service in Green Bay, Wisconsin. Tornado warning remains effective until 8:30 p.m. CDD time. At 8 p.m. CDD time, a tornado warning is capable of producing a tornado located near Pitt, we can see, or 16 miles southeast of England to go, we can see, moving southeast at 45. Hazardous tornado radar indicator rotation. Flying debris with dangerous off out shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely with this. We can see tornado will be near Neil Pit around 8:05 p.m. CDD time. Big Smoky Falls around 8:15 p.m. CDD time. Legend Lake, Kenshin around 8:25 p.m. CDD time. Other locations impacted by this tornado include Zoar, Lake Nomosin, Middle Village. We can see also on here. In Grantham, we can see intersection of Highway 55 in County M. In River and College of Nation, we can see on here also, everyone. 1 second, guys. All right, so let's get back to looking. All right, so we're gonna take a look at our for sure our velocity rates on this one. So okay, it's over. Okay, we need to look at Green Bay. Oh my God, guys, this is not good. So we just got another tornado warning, guys. This is not good at all. So at 8:01 p.m. National Weather Service at Green Bay, Wisconsin at 8:01 p.m. CDD time, Monday, July 20th, 2026. Tornado warning remains effective until 8:15 p.m. CDD time for Central Marathon County at 8:01 p.m. CDD time. Confirmed tornado is located 6 miles southwest of Muncie or 16 miles southwest of Wichita, moving southeast at 35. Hazardous damaging tornado. Weather service confirmed the tornado. Flying to really dangerous shows Caulfield Shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Monsoon around 8:10 p.m. CDD time. Other locations impacted by the tornado include Moon, Big L, Playman County Park, and Helder. You can see move to the interior middle lower. So if you live in this area, you gotta get to your safe spots. This is not good, guys, because it's about to get dark in this area soon. So yeah. All right, so some of these things are picking up looks like easily 70-mile-per-hour wind gusts as we're seeing on here right now over by Berviet or something it's called letting on here. Hope I'm pronouncing that right. So 70 looks like we're getting near 68, 70-mile-per-hour wind gusts, 62, 68 we're seeing in that blue area right now as we're talking, guys. So then we're gonna check this tornado warning again. So this area maybe getting 61, 62 in that lighter blue areas as we're speaking right now. So we're gonna of course check our rotation track with these tornado warnings as we're speaking. So okay, so yeah, guys. So this one is a bit of rotation track still as we're speaking. By a bit of that, we're maybe seeing some rotation track as we're speaking right now. So I don't know, some of these things might be off a little, these rotation track things. So all right, so we're gonna see we got 6 tornado warnings across the state of Wisconsin right now. You see that what's going on there. So all right, so did we just get another tornado warning over here? Oh my God, guys. 8:02 p.m. CDD time, Monday, July 20th, 2026. A tornado warning remains in effect until 8:15 p.m. CDT time. South Central Jackson County at 8:01 p.m. CDT time. A severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado located near Black River Falls, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Tornado radar indicator rotation. We can see with this on here. Also, everyone expect damage from mobile homes, roofs, vehicles. The Black River Falls Airport, Perry Creek Recreation Area, and Castle Mound. We got max hail size of 0 inches with this. If you live in this area, get to your safe spots. Oh no, did we just get another tornado warning? Yes, we did. Tornado warning, National Weather Service at Green Bay, Wisconsin at 8:04 p.m. CDT time, Monday, July 20th, 2026. We can see on here. At 8:04 p.m. CDT time, a confirmed tornado is located over 5 miles southwest of Monza or 17 miles south of Wichita, moving east at 40. This is a damaging tornado. Weather service confirmed the tornado. Flying debris will be dangerous to those car-fell shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. True damage is likely. A tornado will be near Monza around 8:10 p.m. CDT time. Stevens Point around 8:30 p.m. CDT time. Other locations impacted by this tornado include Moon, Nolleton, Danson, Rocky Corners, Dairy Marsh Wildlife Area, North Shannon Town, Ellis, Jordan, Paulina. If you live in this area, you got to get to your safe spots right now, guys. So, yeah, we got 7 tornado warnings now. That is just a lot. So, all right. So, is this our radar indicated one? Okay. Let's see. This is observed. So, we're gonna check the observed one. So, yeah, we're picking up wind down here for sure. 70 something right now as we're speaking. Then over here, we're picking up even higher, guys. 75 in this tornado warning radar indicator capable of producing a tornado. Oh yeah, I just got even more. Now it's 77. So yeah, guys, it looks like it doesn't look good here right now. So all right, so 8:04 that was issued, that one. So that was both issued at 8:04. Okay, so yeah, right here. Let's try to I'm trying to think what I was gonna say. So let's look at our rotation track on here. So I don't know. I don't know if these would be picking up more. I don't know why. I don't know what they're doing. So okay, so we're gonna take a look how much hail is falling in some of these storms right now. So okay, these doesn't look like much hail right now as we're talking about in these tornado warnings, but this tornado warning over here, we're seeing a bit of hail more, maybe 0.8, 0.9, maybe we're seeing on that one. So yeah, guys. So oh my God, guys. Tornado warning and National Weather Service at Green Bay, Wisconsin has issued another tornado warning at 8:06 p.m. This is not good, guys. It's 8 tornado warnings now. Southeastern Marathon County in central Wisconsin, West Shawano County, northeastern Wisconsin, northwestern Wabaca County, and northeastern Wisconsin until 9 p.m. CDD time. At 8:06 p.m. CDD time, severe thunderstorms capable of producing a tornado located over Bearvet or 18 miles southeast of Wichita, moving southeast of Verde. Tornado radar indicator rotation. Bearvet around 8:10 p.m. CDD time. Wittenberg around 8:20 p.m. CDD time. Other locations impacted by this tornado include Pike Lake, Eldon, Galloway, Wabaca, Tigerton. We can see on here Split Rock, Big Falls, Caroline. We can see on here Maryland. We can see on here max hail size 0.0. If you live in this area, you gotta get to your safe spots, guys. So, all right. So, is this Let's see this one. Radar indicated capable of producing a tornado. That one is okay. Oh my God, I don't know. A tornado warning was this issued. Okay, no, it wasn't. Okay, good. So, all right. Some of these areas we're still looking at high. We're still looking about the same in some of these areas. 75 we're seeing, but this one over here we're picking up some. Looks like some higher winds in here. Maybe 80. We see that darker blue 90. We can see it in that darker blue area 80, 70. We can see on here all over the place. We can see. So, all right. So, we just got another tornado warning, guys. At 8:08 p.m. CDT time, Monday, July 20th, 2026. Tornado warning remains in effect until 8:45 p.m. for central Marinette County. At 8:08 p.m. CDT time, severe thunderstorms capable of producing a tornado warning at 11 miles west of we can see 35 miles northwest of Marinette, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Tornado and quarter-size hail. Radar indicated flying debris Too dangerous. These car fall shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage for windows we can see on here will occur. If you live in this area, you gotta get to your safe spots right now, guys. So yeah, let's check our rotation tracks on here. This says an okay. So all right, so we're gonna of course check our rotation tracks now again. So we're gonna see if the rotation tracks are working better now as we're speaking. So okay, yeah, this one over here, we do have a bit of rotation track on here. Is this observed one? Yep, this is a confirmed tornado. Yeah, this is right now as we're speaking. So yeah, we can see that's a bit of rotation on there, guys. We can see over by Nero Pit right now. We can see in the whites. So then red over other parts of Nero Pit, and it looks like over these roads. Ooh, it looks like the Akshaw Road we can see right now also, guys, on here. So yeah, so I'm trying to see. This is parts of Wisconsin right now. Okay, well, okay. So we got currently 8 tornado warnings right now. That is just a lot of tornado warnings, guys. Okay, it looks like okay, so this one is gonna expire at 8:15. Previously has been issued for Marathon County. We can see effective until 8:45 p.m. CDD time. This is please refer to the bulletin for the latest severe weather information. This expires in a few minutes at once. So, but this one is gonna keep going. So for another 34 minutes, we can see on here. So, all right, so just checking everything right now, so making sure I haven't missed anything else. So okay, so let's look at the one over in Black River Falls, or what's that thing called, our velocity. So velocity rate's looking like 65 over here, 60 right now. We can see over here we're picking up easily some of these in this tornado warning. It's something's going on because those dark blues are really high. It looks like 90 maybe on here also. You'll be seeing these darker blues. That pretty much means there's something like stirring up. That pretty much means on there. So I wouldn't be surprised if something else was issued there eventually. So okay, so check our rotation tracks over here. So okay, it looks like there was something just issued because it looks like that. Okay, yeah, it did look like that for a second. How it was like highlighted. All right, so Pike Lake, we looks like our velocity rates on here are pretty, I gotta say pretty high in some areas, maybe 60. So this thing sometimes sometimes these things act like a little hold on. All right, some of these tornado warning storms. We're getting moderate rain. We can see with these also on the ground right now. So really, I gotta say, these storms I would say are pretty bad. I gotta say, tornado warnings, 8 tornado warnings. At the beginning of the stream, there's only one. So 808 that was issued. So we're gonna you know what? We haven't checked our hail in these tornado warnings. It doesn't look like much hail with these tornadoes. Warned storms. So there is 2 confirmed tornadoes on the ground right now observed. So we're gonna have to check those ones. So these ones are confirmed tornado located 5 miles southwest of Muncie. We can see on here also, everyone, guys. So these are, I gotta say, it's not good. Rubber spotters, because it's not good about these tornadoes either. Tornadoes are not good. Period. Once it goes to nighttime, you can't even see them. That is just makes it way worse than what it is. So flying debris will be dangerous to those car fall shelter. We can see mobile homes will be damaged, destroyed, damage for some windows of vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely with this tornado. So yeah, guys, we're gonna have to keep a track on these 2 of course I'm gonna keep a track on all of them, but these 2 we're gonna keep the track on the most because these are the most concerning ones. Like but it's interesting, like these rotation track things are not like picking up much. So but our velocity, let's check our let's do Green Bay. So we do have in here, so some like 64 70 mile per hour wind gusts we see in that blue area, everyone, also on here too, guys. So the blue area also, guys, in Wisconsin with the 70 something too on there, guys, also. So yeah, so All right, by Nolatin, we can see also on here, guys, too. So, all right, so I'm just trying to see, just keeping updated with you guys on this. So we're gonna, of course, we're gonna actually take a look at our oh, actually, we're gonna take our lightning. It's just lightning. Okay, I don't know, that's not working for some weird reason, that one. So okay, oh, this is how much rain per hour is coming down projected. So some of these areas it says we can maybe get zero point 0.8, 1.1 inches of rain, 1.3 inches of rain per hour, and 1.5 inches of rain per hour. Some of these areas, this area over here, looks like it's projecting something crazy, 2 to 3 inches per hour. We can see in these darker red areas over here, and up in northern Wisconsin over Lake Michigan, we can see. But we do gotta keep track on these storms and see what's going on here. So making sure let's see. So rotation track looks like right here over 150 right now. Let's see what's going on here. So yeah, it looks like easily 72 mile per hour. One gust is this thing is saying the velocity rates are saying right now. So about 70 something. So and over here maybe about like 72 in the blue areas we can see also on here. Then over here, maybe 60 something too, 70. We can see also capable of producing a tornado. That one is down here. We see. All right, so we still got currently 5 tornado warnings. Okay, that's good. We actually, oh my God, we actually got more tornado warnings than severe thunderstorm warnings. That is a weird thing to say. We got 3 severe thunderstorm warnings, but 5 tornado warnings, everyone. That's just crazy. Hold on one second. So, all right, so let's check we do got a new severe thunderstorm warning, and looks like I'm trying to see what this says. Oh, it looks like over here by Detroit Harbor again. We can see this is earlier where we had a tornado warning. National Weather Service of Green Bay, Wisconsin at 8:16 p.m. CDD time, Monday, July 20th, 2026. National Weather Service in Green Bay as you see a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Door County in northeastern Wisconsin at 8:16 p.m. CDD time. You see severe thunderstorms located 15 miles northeast of Newport State Park, 44 miles northeast of Meriton, moving southeast at 60 mile per hour. We got in small hail is possible. We can see with this everyone right now. So you can see small hail is possible. Max hail size looks like less than an inch. It's saying in maximum gusts of 60 miles per hour as we're speaking right now. So we're gonna check our velocity rates, of course, with this one too. Let's move closer. Let's move up here. So let's see. Okay, yeah, we had okay, yeah, maybe 50 to 60 in some areas we're seeing right now as we're saying. Okay, so yeah, oh yeah, this storm has really heavy rainfall. Green Bay National Wildlife Refuge has a lot of rainfall falling right now. So 804 that was issued. So we're we're tracking these 2 observed tornado warnings right now as we're speaking. So these expire in about looks like 12. That one expires about 12 minutes, and this one expires in about 27 minutes. So we're gonna see if these extend any farther. So then the special marine warning that was issued here at 9:07 p.m. EDT time by the Malachi, Michigan. Small craft damage, higher winds are sudden. We can see on here. Then in Green Bay, Wisconsin has issued a special marine warning. We can see because of the storm that's coming in. So, all right, everyone. So, oh yeah, we do got a new severe thunderstorm warning down here as we're speaking at 8:17 p.m. The Quad Cities, the Iowa, Illinois National Weather Service. Quad City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning. Hancock County, we can see also on here. We can see in West Central Illinois. We can see McDowell County. We can see in West Central Illinois. We can see South Central Lee County. We can see in Southeastern Iowa. We can see at 8:17 p.m. CDD time. We can see severe thunderstorms are located along the line extending from near Scouting to Garland, moving southeast at 60 miles per hour. Train water spotters. We can see damaging roofs to sliding in trees. We can see also Mancob, Fort Madison, Kerouac. We can see on here Calfridge, Nevada, Hamilton, Warsaw, Clemson, Lower Harp. We can see also on here Dallas City, Montrose, Blunsonville, Augusten, Bronan, Industry, Good Hope, Bluffton, West Point, Ferris in Tennessee. We can see also on here too, guys. So you can see this includes Ogley Lake. Uh, we can see on your state park, Nova State Park. We can see if your protection move to the interior rooms. We can see for the lowest floor of the exterior building, tornado watch remains in effect until 8 to 10 p.m. CDD time. We can see also on here southwestern Iowa. We can see also on here, guys. So, all right, so that's gonna be 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts as we can see on here. Everyone also too, guys. So, all right, so I want to make sure everything is working right. So, no, come on, stop. It acts weird sometimes. All right, so this storm on here, we got about 60 to 70-mile-per-hour wind gusts. You can see on here also, guys, 75 in some areas. We can see with this storm, 70. We can see also everyone also we got to be talking about. So, all right, guys. So we're gonna talk about our few tornado warnings again, guys. So, all right. So we do got a lot. There's still a bit of tornado warnings we gotta talk about on here also, everyone, guys. So. All right, we got how many tornado warnings? 4. Okay, 2 damaging ones. So, yeah, guys, I'm gonna leave that up. I'll be right back, real quick, guys. Just 1 second, guys. Only like a minute or two. So, stay in the stream, guys. We're gonna have the tornado warnings up. It'll be like two minutes to most. So, see you guys in about 2 minutes, guys. Bye, guys. See you in 2 minutes. Alright, everyone, so I'm back, everyone. I'm so sorry about that. I'm back, everyone. So let's check what's been happening since we've been gone for I was gone for a few minutes. So let's see what has happened. So we still got a damaging tornado on the ground in Wisconsin. As we're talking, it expires in about 19 minutes. So our locations impact. Sorry about that. So that's just like my thing I have like my monitor here. So monitor right now. So like so I can like see the chat and things. If you hear my voice in my play out, I lowered the volume now so you don't hear it. So all right. So all right, everyone. So that expires in about 3 minutes. So this is 8:26 p.m. And just a new tornado warning that was issued as severe thunderstorms capable producing a tornado located 5 miles southeast of Monticello or 14 miles north of Stevens Point. You see moving east at Verde. Flying debris will be dangerous to car felt shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or store damage to roofs and windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely in Monticello around 8:30 p.m. CDD time. You can see other locations impacted by the tornado include Rocky Corners, Nolleton, Dewey, we can see Marshall Wildlife Area, Shannonton Town, North Star, Holt. You see move to interior middle store well building away from the windows. If you're outdoors, get to your safe spots right now if you live in this area, guys, as we're talking. So alright, so then this storm down here is still pretty severe as we're talking about 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts right now as you're speaking. So then looks like a new severe thunderstorm warning that was issued at 8:21 p.m. CDD time. We see National Weather Service in Des Moines, Iowa. National Weather Service in Des Moines has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Lucas County in south central Iowa. You can see on here also, everyone, we can see also on here too. Northwestern Malheur County in south central Iowa, southeastern Merritt County in central Iowa, southwestern Muscatine County in south central Iowa. Uh, we can see until 9 p.m. CDD time. At 8:21 p.m. CDD time, severe thunderstorms located along the line extending from Pella Municipal Airport to 4 miles south at Knoxville Municipal Airport to near Williston, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Hail damage to vehicles expected. Wind damage to roofs, sliding in trees. Pella, Knoxville, Albin, Belch, Dallas, Knoxville Raceway, Lake Red Rock, Helvin, Belton, Harvey, Hamilton, Melrose, we can see Marysville, Pelham Municipal Airport, Knoxville Municipal Airport. We see also on here too, guys. So if you live in this area, so we got max hail size of 1 inch and maximum gusts of 60. We can see on here also everyone right now. Oh my god, I got so scared, guys, real quick. So biggest scare of my life. So I thought the stream was glitched out or something. I'm so sorry if that's it's not. So okay, so all right, so I'm gonna make sure everything's working. So okay, so yeah, everything's working good right now. So doing pretty good right now. So okay. Okay, so we just got a few tornado warnings. Right, we got still a few tornado warnings, but none of them looks like it's on the ground anymore. So it looks like right now capable of producing a tornado. So capable of producing a tornado. Everyone we can see on here, guys. Also, okay, that one expires now, guys. Also, so that tornado warning does expire now, everyone, as we're speaking. So. Alright, so this storm still has a little bit of rotation. We can see near Tigerton, we can see right now some maybe rotation over Wisconsin Rapids. We can see also on here. Alright, so Still got very tornado warnings right now as we're speaking. So yeah, let's check our velocity rates as we're speaking right now. So no, not that one. So over here in Green Bay, I want to check. So okay, it looks like it's one lower. We're down to 70 in some areas, still 75 in some areas, but before we were getting 80 in some areas, I remember. So still getting 70 in some areas, 65, 60 maybe. We're seeing right now also everyone on here. So all right, very tornado warnings and very severe thunderstorm warnings as we're speaking right now. All right, so guys, so I'm trying to think what we can talk about now. All right, then we still do have our tropical storm in New Orleans. It's gonna hit sometime. I think what's the date? Looks like July 23rd, Thursday at 2 a.m. Looks like it's near her Louisiana. See a tropical storm. So there will be a short coming out about that tomorrow too. So I will most likely go live tomorrow also because we got a really damaging wind day coming up in Ohio tomorrow, PA. We're gonna talk about. So most likely gonna go live tomorrow also. Just depends what time these severe storms happen at. So. Silvery tornado warnings going on expires in about 12 minutes. In Wisconsin, we can see right now. Wisconsin Rapids, we can see on here in 12 minutes it expires. National Resource in Green Bay, Wisconsin, we can see. Then we got another tornado warning that expires in about 27 minutes. So let's take it. Hold on, I'm gonna look at something real quick, guys. So let's take a look at our all right, hold on, guys. All right, so okay, then we just got a new severe thunderstorm warning that was issued by National Weather Service in Lincoln, Illinois. We see severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Fluent County in west central Illinois, Schuyler County in west central Illinois. We can see also on here until 9:30 p.m. CDD time. At 8:30 p.m. CDD time, severe thunderstorms located near Fandon or Trauma's south of Macabre. We can see moving southeast at 35, 60 mile per hour wind gusts. We can see radar indicates like damage or sliding in trees. The severe thunderstorm will be near Littleton around 8:40 p.m. CDD time. We can see other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Rushville. You can see also on here. Rushville, we can see this includes Anderson Lake State Fish Wildlife Area and Lundberg King State Fish Wildlife Area. For your protection, move to lowest floor of the building. If you live in this area, just get inside right now because it's about to get some strong winds. I guess say let's see, in this area we got some 60 mile per hour wind gusts in Calf Ridge. You can see right now on here also everyone too. So about 65 we can see on here everyone as they're speaking. So we still got our very tornado warnings and 4 severe thunderstorm warnings too on here everyone as we're speaking, guys. So all right, so okay, so I'm just making sure everything's acting right now as we're talking. So let's check our hail size with these storms. So let's check this storm down here. Okay, yeah, okay, wow, this storm over here. There's no severe thunderstorm warning for it, but putting down some hail, I gotta say. Someone's putting down like some areas estimated 2 inches. We can see of hail over Route 30, W Avenue as we're speaking. So then this storm down here is putting an inch of hail down. You can see also everyone on here. So Alright, so we got currently I'm trying to think. We got currently 6 severe thunderstorm warnings and 3 tornado warnings right now. So I think most this one's gonna expire in 8 minutes right here. So let's check our velocity rakes. I'm trying to see where our velocity rates are. Our velocity. Okay, okay. That's why it's not working. So okay, some areas are picking up 60 mph wind gusts. We can see right now over in by Vestapur. We can see right now as we're speaking, everyone. So Vestapur maybe about 60 something mph wind gusts. Everyone also we can see on here, everyone. So then this area we're seeing maybe 60 in some areas also, everyone. Then 60 over here we can see near J. We can see County Highway J. We can see also on here too, guys. So yeah, everyone. So trying to think what I was gonna say. So then we got 60 mph wind gusts over State Highway 73. You can see also two guys on here. So just making sure. So I'll be right back real quick, guys. Just 1 minute. So just one more time. I'll be right back. So. All right, guys, I'm back. I'm so sorry about that. So, that was just 1 minute, guys. So, all right, so let's take a look at our radar. What's going on here? So, okay, 3 tornado warnings, 7 severe thunderstorm warnings as we're speaking. So, all right, so these storms down here. All right, guys, I'm back. I'm so sorry about that. All right, sorry, that was my name that just kicked on. My sorry, that was just my machine that my monitor that kicked on. So, all right, so let's you know what? Let's talk about our tropical storm down here again because there's not much really going on right now. So Talk about a tropical storm down here in parts of this is gonna be 8 p.m. This was 8 p.m. tonight, so but by then over here on the 23rd is Thursday, then 25th is Saturday, doing at 2 p.m. in Texas on Saturday. So all right, so velocity rates of these tornado warnings. So oh yeah, they have one. So this one is still one that's so strong, 78, 79. Maybe we see in some areas on here 75. Then this one over here maybe 70. We can see also then this one maybe this one down a lot, maybe like 50 to 60 now. Oh, okay, we just got a new tornado warning with this one, everyone. So a new tornado warning was issued by the National Weather Service of Green Bay, Wisconsin at 8:41 p.m. CT time, Monday, July 20th, 2026. National Weather Service in Green Bay has issued a new severe tornado warning. We can see on here everyone also. So new tornado warning was just issued. So in northeastern Portage County in central Wisconsin, north Rubicon County, northeastern Wisconsin until 9:45 p.m. CT time. At 8:41 p.m. CT time, severe thunderstorms capable of producing a tornado located 7 miles southwest of Event or 11 miles northeast of Stevens Point, moving east on 35 tornado and radar indicator rotation. We see severe thunderstorms capable of producing a tornado located 7 miles southwest of Brevet or 11 miles northeast of Stevens Point, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Tornado radar indicator rotation, flying debris with dangerous to this car without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged, destroyed, damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely near Clintonsville around 9:40. North Star, Roselet, Nordskin, we can see Peru, Northland, Semiston Center, Iowa, Big Falls, Semiston, and Meliu. We can see moving to the interior. If you live in this area, get to your safe spots right now, guys, because you gotta get to your safe spots right now, guys, as we're talking. If you live in this area. All right, so take a look. So some of these areas we still got some heavy rain in parts of Wisconsin. You see as we're speaking right now, and some heavy rain over in some parts of Wisconsin too right now as we're talking northern Wisconsin. Then of course in Michigan we've got a severe thunderstorm watch that expires in a few hours from now. So yeah, guys. So a few hours, a severe thunderstorm warning expires for parts of Michigan. We can see also everyone on here too. So we're gonna keep checking our velocity rates on these a few tornado warnings here as we're speaking right now. So and over here we got 75-mile-per-hour wind gusts as we can see over looks like this road called County Road Y we can see right now. 75-mile-per-hour wind gusts. And Wisconsin Rapids looks like this is decreasing. I could tell maybe 55. We can see 58 in here. That is decreasing. So all right, so over here you can see maybe 72 also in this storm, everyone, also as we're speaking, guys. So then over here we've got a severe thunderstorm watch for parts of Michigan right now. We can see also then down here other parts of Wisconsin we do got we'll just okay, I guess it doesn't want to I guess it doesn't want me to look at it today. Oh, okay, there it is. So a tornado watch was issued at 3:50 p.m. by the Norm, Oklahoma. We see 2.5 to 2 inches to 2.5 inches in diameter, very large hail. As a storm cluster by late evening, threatening for wind damage will increase a few significant 75-mile-per-hour wind gusts. Tornado watch means are favorable for tornadoes and severe thunderstorms. If listed watching this area, persons should be in the area looking out for threatening weather conditions later. Weather statements and possible warnings we can see on here also, everyone, right now. So all right, everyone. So let's, of course, we're going to take a look at our rotation track as we're speaking again. So with these tornado warnings and see what's going on with that. So, okay, this one we do have a bit of rotation track over Split Rock right now with the red we can see in yellow. We can see in these areas we do have a bit of rotation. We can see over, what's this road called? This road right here we can see that over looks like Shannonton Town. Looks like over here in these back roads, we still have some rotation. Okay, wow. That tornado warning just disappeared. Okay. All right, so now we got currently 2 tornado warnings as we're speaking, everyone. Radar indicated. These are both radar indicated. So, all right, so 6 severe thunderstorm warnings and 2 tornado warnings as we're speaking right now. All right, so let's go down here to our south here, see what's going on in Des Moines, Iowa. So This was issued 8 minutes ago. A severe thunderstorm warning, 60 mph wind gusts and one. A max hail size 1 inch. We can see with this also, everyone. So let's check our not that. So let's check our. We're gonna check our velocity rates. It's from Des Moines. So Des Moines, we do have some picking up some wind here, 65 in some of these areas, and Des Moines University, Cayside Avenue, we can see also on here Mills uh, Civic Parkway. We can see also on here everyone as we're talking. So then Trader Joe's is on there too right now. So you can see. So of course with this storm, we're gonna check our hail also. See what our estimated hail with this is. Okay, our estimated hail with this is about 1 inch in Grims. We can see Johnson, Urbandale. We can see some areas 0.8, 0.9 inches of hail. Merben, we can see Burn. We can see Minburn. We can see maybe 0.8, 0.9 inches of hail. We can see also as we're speaking, guys, right now. So, all right. So, you know what we should check. Let's check our hail in the last 30 minutes of the storm, 60 minutes. So this is what our hail things were in the last 60 minutes for both of these storms over here in parts of, looks like Iowa, yeah, Iowa, parts of Iowa. This one over here, we did get a bit of hail, as it said. Looks like so this one got maybe 2.2 inches in some areas. We can see over W Avenue earlier this was. So then we had some hail over Munchen Dallas, we can see over here by Melchiel Dallas, we can see maybe 0.2, 0.1, 0.8, 1.9 inches of hail we saw earlier. So I just wanted to show you guys that. So then also we got something else to talk about too. It looks like over here in Illinois. So a new severe thunderstorm warning was issued just like 5 or 6 minutes ago by the National Weather Service of St. Louis. This one had 70-mile-per-hour wind gusts and small hail. We see radar indicated. We see considerable tree damage. Tree damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. We can see Lima, Woodville, Lorraine, we can see Medin, La Prairie, we can see Codesburg, Golden, Camp Point, Columbus, Quincy Regional Airport, Burton, Clayton, Adams, Liberty, we can see Mountain Station, Mount Sterling, Buckhorn, Ripley, Visley's, LaGrange, Summerlin, Springs State Park. Yeah, max hail size of 1 inch and maximum gusts of 60 miles per hour. We see with the storm as we're speaking, guys, right now. So, yeah, guys, let's see what our velocity rates are with the storm right now in Illinois. So, all right, so yeah, we could see on there it is definitely close to 70. I gotta say, these lighter blue areas are picking up 68, maybe on there near 70. Yeah. See on there also near Plymouth right now, around 60 mile per hour. Wind gusts to 65, 68. We can see, and 2 tornado warnings in Wisconsin as we're speaking. So that was 841. We just talked about that one. So okay, let's you know what? Let's go back. Let's go back up to Green Bay and talk about what's going on up in Green Bay real quick. So area. So Green Bay Weather Station. So the storm is maybe picking up near 70 in some areas, 65, 68. We can see over parts of let's see Twins Lake Drive as we're speaking right now, guys. So yeah, Twins Lake Drive maybe near 70 mile per hour wind gusts as we can see also on here. Everyone did heavy rain looks like over in some parts of Wisconsin. We can see right now torrential rainfall. We can see also, guys, on here. So I'm going to also see how much, estimated how much rain per hour is coming down. Anticipate rate per hour we can see on here. This storm over here, it's saying easily a couple inches per hour we're seeing here in this storm. 2 to 3 inches per hour, a few inches per hour in this storm we could see falling right now, estimated. So, and these storms over here, few inches per hour too, it's saying, guys, also potentially. So yeah, this a lot of heavy storms we're talking about here, and severe weather we're speaking right now about. So yeah, a lot of this crazy storms and crazy warnings and things also, guys. So all right, so let's see what's going on. Also, what's going on. So let's talk about the special weather statement as we're talking. So this is not really that severe at all. So this is a special weather statement we're just going to talk about real quick. got maximum gusts at 30 miles per hour. The special weather statement national weather system Green Bay, Wisconsin at 8:25 p.m. CT time. A line of strong thunderstorms on Meriton, southeastern forest, north central Ogden counties until 9 p.m. CT time. At 8:25 p.m. CT time, Doppler radar was tracking a line of strong thunderstorms. You see 16 miles north of Meriton, 12 miles north of Medicine Mountain National Area. This ain't severe, guys. 12 miles north of Medicine Mountain Area. So this is severe thunderstorm in Red Cloud around 8:30 p.m. CDD time. Max hail size 0.5 inches and maximum gusts is out 30 miles per hour. We see with this everyone right now. So, all right. So that is this is just a storm, normal storm. So this one over here, these two tornado warnings we got to talk about. So this expires in 1 hour. So let's of course let's check our velocity rates with these things again. So okay, yeah, velocity is looking like maybe okay, yeah, 70 again. So still picking up 70 mile per hour wind gusts here. So with that one tornado warning as we're speaking, guys. So 2 tornado warnings and 6 severe thunderstorm warnings as we're speaking right now. So is that brand new? Because it looks brand new to me. They make it look like it's brand new. Well, it says 5:40 p.m. CPD time that was issued. Why is this not? Okay, probably glitching. So 8:42. Okay. That looks like we get some storms over off the coast of the Gulf of Mexico, New Orleans. We can see there now scattered rain showers. Then we got our tropical storm down here right now as we're speaking. So, okay, guys. So I'm trying to see what else is going on. This expires in 7 minutes. That's done pretty much. So now we just have one tornado warning to pretty much talk about now. So yeah, guys. So 6 severe thunderstorm warnings right now as we're speaking. So let's see. West Des Moines, you're getting really heavy rain right now. We can see in Des Moines. We can see Pleasant Hill. We can see also on here too, guys. Also on here. So looks like in Wisconsin we still got our 1 tornado warning still going on as we're speaking, guys. So yeah, so it doesn't look as bad as earlier, I gotta say. It's went down a lot in the last 30 minutes. That's a really good thing. It's a really good thing because after dark now, pretty much. So yeah. All right, guys. So let's check. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see how much hail is in this storm over here. Okay, yeah, we're getting a bit of hail. 1 inch of hail. We're seeing over parts of looks like by Little Lake right now. We're maybe seeing half an inch of hail. See Little Lake National Reserve and Jacob Sons Museum. We can see also on here in Wisconsin right now. Then Michigan, we got a severe thunderstorm watch for tonight that expires in 4 hours. So it's 4 hours from now. 2 in the morning. Okay. And air quality alerts because Canada wildfire smoke is causing all this air quality issues. So yeah. All right. So. Alright, looks like we got a new severe thunderstorm warning that's issued at 8:55 p.m. CDD time. We see on here, severe thunderstorm warning remains effective until 9:30 p.m. CDD time. We can see on here, severe thunderstorm is located over Littleton or 8 miles northwest of Rushville, southeast at 70 mile per hour wind gusts radar indicated. Expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Rushville around 9 p.m. This includes impacted severe thunderstorm includes Camden. We can see Frederick, Huntsville, Bluff City, Wenberg, King State Park. We see Ray and Table Grove. This includes Anderson State Lake Fish Wildlife Area. We can see also on here in Wenberg, King State Fish Wildlife Area. Max hail size 0.75 inches. Maximum gusts of 70 miles per hour. This is a pretty strong storm, guys, right now. I'm talking about. So, of course, we can go back to Illinois. Yeah, detecting the higher 60s in some areas with that lighter blue. You see 50, mostly the storm doesn't look as severe as it says, but some areas are still picking up 65, 70 mile per hour. One guesses at 50. Some areas, just depends where you're at. The whole storm main, straight 70 mile per hour wind gusts. So, all right, let's see our hail in the storm. Also, I didn't check that yet. Oh, it looks like maybe we get half an inch of hail over by looks like some of the streets in Brooklyn. We can see not Brooklyn, New York, Brooklyn, Illinois. So I think I confused with that. So in Brooklyn, Illinois. So and we got severe thunderstorm watch for this area that expires in about 2 hours from now. So okay, that tornado warning is pretty much done for tonight. So, but this one expires in 1 hour. It's capable of producing a tornado. Clintonville around 9:40 p.m. CDD time. Let's see. Wow, that's pretty long from now actually. It's like an hour. That's like 40 minutes from now. Okay. All right. So Clintonville around 9:40 p.m. CDD time. That's a while from now. So doesn't look like much is going on, but our velocity rates we're gonna check once again, of course. So okay. Oh yeah, we're still some areas of 70 plus. We see 72. Okay, this is updated. Okay, it went down. It shrank more. So we're still maybe seeing 70 in some areas of over. Looks like this. Looks like some random area in this town called looks like Elban. We can see and 68, 60 something over here. So yeah, it looks like to me it's decreasing. That's in my opinion. So I think it's decreasing. So yeah, guys. So it looks like pretty much it's a good thing. It's a good thing. So in my opinion, it's a really good thing this is decreasing because we're going in the dark hours now. So because like no one wants all those tornadoes at night. That's scary. You can't even see them. So yeah, happy happy this is decreasing down. So yeah, guys. All right. So it looks like our storm down here in over. It looks like Western Illinois. We can see on here. Looks like it's getting some really heavy rain also. We're gonna check one thing real quick. Our severe weather outlook for the rest of the night. Oh, okay, we're down to a slight risk now. Okay, good. Okay, that's good. Our tornado risk has shrunk to 5% tornado risk, significant one. Still could see some tornadoes potentially still, but it's not as bad as before. So we're over. Okay, our wind risk has went down a ton before. So too, guys. So, but tomorrow, guys. Oh, tomorrow. Really high wind risk we gotta talk about here. You can see really damaging winds here tomorrow. So, well, tornado risk is at 5%. We can see on here. 15% hail risk also in parts of Ohio. Looks like Columbus. We can see Canton. We can see. Then let's see down here also for our Davery. Davery, we got slight risk in North Carolina. 2 also on here. Margin risk for Virginia. Also 2 on here, guys. But this is the rest of tonight. We can see our margin risk for Michigan. We can see also everyone in Indiana. So in Missouri. So yeah, guys. So it does it soon. Soon the stream will probably be ending soon. So yeah, guys, because there's not much to really talk about anymore. Everything looks like it's going down. So pretty much, and like strength and everything. So, but we got this one tornado warning here. We're just gonna watch this here for a few. So see what happens here. So how much rotation track of it? Not really rotation track at all. So not really much here. So oh yeah, it just keeps looks like to me it just keeps going down a lot. The winds, that is a good thing, guys. So we're down in 68, 66 now. So it's going down a bit. So oh yeah, it's going even down more now, 65 now. So okay. All right, guys. So that's a really good thing. So this storm has maybe, yeah, we could see in the lighter blue area we see on here. We got maybe 60 something in there. And this storm says it's 70 mile per hour wind gusts as we're seeking max hail size 1 inch. We can see on here also too, guys, with this. So we're gonna check our estimated hail, of course, with this storm. So okay, estimated hail does not look that bad to me. Maybe half an inch we're seeing some of these areas, 0.3. This thing is estimated right now. So But this storm over here is just a lot of hail. We gotta say, looks like 1.7, 1.8 inches of hail we're seeing in these neighborhoods, and looks like what a key we can see also on here in the suburbs of Des Moines. We can see 1.8 inches of hail. We can see on here also, but I would say the tornado warnings have went down a ton. I gotta say we're down to one now. So, but a lot Des Moines, you just been getting hammered with like heavy rain for the last 30 to 40 minutes now. Probably feeling that. So yeah, it's a lot of heavy rain. So we can check how much let's check how much see how much let's see how much rainfall has potentially it's like this thing is predicted to fall in the last hour. So oh yeah, some of these areas it looks like some 2 inches has fell. Looks like in the last hour here, projectedly said in some of these areas. Some maybe even near 3 inches of rain has fallen in some of these areas projected in the last hour. So yeah, guys, that's a lot of rains from these storms. So of course we're gonna see what this is. This is I've never used this feature before, the flash feature. So okay, yeah, I don't know. So let's check out our lightning. So this is our lightning average density every 30 minutes is. Yeah, we can see pretty much those are green means a few flashes of lightning we saw in these storms also in the Des Moines area. We can see also. So we're gonna check what's that's in Wisconsin. What's that saying? So okay, no, not saying much in Wisconsin actually for that. So okay, so everyone, so this is our one tornado warning right here. So we still got heavy rain over Route 49, capable of producing a tornado. There's actually no tornado on the ground as we're speaking right now. So of course we're gonna check our rotation track, our instant rotation track as we're speaking. So we can see over Route 49, we maybe got a little bit of rotation track in the yellow, so but not much. So this I gotta say this storm is not that much with that rotation track right now as we're speaking. So, but we're gonna of course check our velocity rates as we're speaking. Of course. Okay, yeah. Our yeah, guys, our rotation track has went down. Our velocity has went down a ton on this. We're it looks like we're not even at 60 miles per hour anymore. Looks like we're down to 48, 50 in some areas, maybe 55. We're seeing 58 maybe also under 60 now, guys. We're staying with this now, guys. So doesn't not as much bad as before, I gotta say. So yeah, it looks like everything is going improving a lot. I gotta say improving a lot. I gotta say in the last 30 minutes here in some areas. So of course we've got this area. There was this a new severe thunderstorm warning that was issued by the National Weather Service, St. Louis, Missouri, at 9:01 p.m. CDD time. Severe thunderstorm warning remains effective until 9:15 p.m. Central for northeastern Adams. We can see also on here, guys. Severe thunderstorm is located 5 miles north of Mount Sterling or 25 miles north of Pittsfield, moving southeast at 55, 70 mile per hour wind gusts and small hail. Radar indicated considerable tree damage on here. Also, everyone, we can see damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Turn La Parra, Golden, Camp Point, Clayton, Mount Station. We can see also on here Clareville, Mount Sterling, Buckhorn, Ripley, Cooperstown, Velleson, LaGrange. We can see also on here max hail size 1 inch and maximum gusts of 70 miles per hour. So yeah, guys. So of course we're gonna check our velocity rates on here too because this storm we keep saying is 70 mile per hour wind gusts we're gonna see on here. So okay, yeah, some areas are more than others. We could just tell like it's like some of these areas are 60 mile per hour wind gusts. Right here we're seeing maybe this is probably where the 70 mile per hour wind gust is here right here right now. We're Route 61. Yep, that's where it is, guys. All right, so then we got heavy rain moving into Rushville right now. Here when we can see heavy rain, Scotts Mill, we can see Littleton, we can see Industry, we can see also everyone on here too, guys. So yeah. Then Des Moines are still getting rain, heavy rain also. So this area right over here, Detroit Harbor, I feel like the last hour you guys been getting heavy rain in Detroit Harbor. It's like over an hour now. So yeah, probably an hour and a half now. I feel like And then we got some rain in Michigan, some areas, some storms over St. Ignace. We can see Interstate 75 right now. Let's see, but yeah, guys. So, all right. So, no, we checked our velocity rates. I don't know what it's saying. So, you know what? We haven't checked we haven't actually checked our estimated hail size in some of these storms everyone on here. So again, so it looks like over Lake Michigan. It looks like over Lake Michigan we can see on here we're getting 1.25 inches of hail over Lake Michigan right now as we're speaking. It's estimated. So the storm looks like it's moving towards Michigan right now on here. You see over Lake Michigan we can see right now. We see as we're speaking on here. So I feel like this has weakened a lot. All right, so it has weakened a bit. So they had issued a tornado warning, but it's still capable of producing a tornado around Clintonville around 9:40 p.m. The same thing as before. So if you live in this area, still get to your safe spots because you don't know it could intensify more. I don't know where it's like it could have intensified again. So let's take a look. So okay, yeah. So you could still see some higher wind gusts in there. 60 maybe in some areas, 65, 68 still picking up so something. So yeah, this is our pretty much our last our only tornado warning right now. We got 5 severe thunderstorm warnings too. Let me see. Why is it glitching? It's like not letting me click it. Alright, whenever that okay, whatever. What is this thing doing? Sometimes these apps just act so weird. Alright, so okay, let's see if this thing is actually clicking now. Okay. Okay, it doesn't want to click for some reason, okay. Well, we can still what is that? Okay. Missile discussion that was issued at 9:07 p.m. CDT time concerning Tornado Watch 500. Severe weather draft for Tornado Watch 500 continues damaging risk persists beyond scheduled watch expiration. A new severe thunderstorm watch is possible. Our cold portal driven storm complex is located over Des Moines as 155Z. We can see on here excess of 50 KT on the south side of metropolitan area. Environment low level lapse, however, weakening with no indication of rear inflow jet. Parentheses and vertical shear we can see on here also. They're saying at the visual discussion right now as we're speaking. So I'm gonna take a look at our velocity here. Okay, yeah, some of these areas you're picking up 60 something miles per hour. One gust is you're seeing right now on here if you live in any of these areas near Des Moines. So yeah, just strong wind gusts is some of these areas we can see on here also too, guys, right now. So all right, so what is else to talk about now? So Wisconsin, we do still have some rain, also some high winds in this storm. That's why we have the tornado. That's why they still have the tornado warning out because there's still some high winds in there that could potentially cause a tornado. So, but over Lake Michigan, it's just so much rain over this area right here, Washington and Wisconsin. We can see Jackson Harbor. We can see all these places are just getting drilled with rain right now, heavy rain, as we're speaking. So, all right, everyone. So, just making sure everything is doing all right here. So we're gonna check this area once again. So we're gonna check our velocity rates again here. So if this thing will just work. So okay, so yeah, some of these areas are still picking up some wind gusts here. We can see at 50, 60 miles per hour, easily 65. Some of these areas we see maybe even a little over 65, like that light blue area. Also everyone on here too, guys. So all right, so pretty much so I'm trying to think. So let's of course we're gonna take a look at our rotation track. Why not? So So okay, not much rotation track at all with this, guys. So we're looking in the yellow, white. We can see also on here. Not much rotation track with this as we're speaking right now. So it doesn't. It looks like a lot of things are just weakening, and that's a really good thing. So all right, so we're gonna go down here now until and if this wants to work actually. So okay, all right. So a new severe thunderstorm warning was issued at 9:09 p.m. Central Time for Monday, July 20th, 2026. National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Cass County in west central Illinois, southwestern Mason County in central Illinois, Morgan County in west central Illinois at 9:09 p.m. CDT time. A severe thunderstorm warning. You can on here we can see extending from near Littleton to 7 miles west of Birdstown, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. 70-mile-per-hour wind gusts, as we can see on the location Jackson, Virginia. This is max wind gusts at 70 miles per hour. Hold on, guys, real quick. So, yeah, I could look near Appleton area. Yeah, this is the WeatherWise app, so it's on like phone and computer. All right. Yes, of course I will look near Appleton. So, okay, Appleton looks like you have a chart until this thing doesn't want to ever click. So hold on, just give me a second. I don't know why the app acts like this sometimes. I don't know why. So looks like Appleton. It doesn't look like if not far away over here. It looks like in Bear Creek, Clintonville. We can see we still got our tornado warning as we're speaking there right now. But it does. That's to me right now. It doesn't look like nothing's going on there. It looks like you're fine right now. So, but there's still a tornado watch out. Just watch radar. All right. So. Yeah, guys. So just if like on this app, it's called WeatherWise. Anytime, like just go to WeatherWise and look because it's like some pretty good things that with the warnings and radar things too. I like WeatherWise a lot too. So all right, guys. So then we get our new severe thunderstorm warning in Michigan. Severe thunderstorm warning for northern Leland County. We can see northern Michigan, northeastern Grand Traverse County was located 17 miles north of Sleep Bear Point, moving east at 45 miles per hour, 60 mile per hour wind gusts. Radar indicated. We can see also on here, guys. We can see excited damage to roofs, sliding in trees. Leland, Elk Rapids. We can see Grand Traverse Lake, Southern Bay, Northport, Old Mission, Almond, Lake Leland, Ponsonby Town, Mapleton, Leland State Park, and max hail size of 0.75 inches. We can see and maximum gusts. You can see 60 miles per hour. You can see also on here, everyone, also too, guys. So yeah, everyone. So all right. So I'm trying to think what we can look at. So what was I think this was okay 60. Yeah, let's see what the velocity is over the lake right now, Lake Michigan, because Lake Michigan warmer lakes we get with lakes are warm because of summer right now. We can see how strong these winds are. So because sometimes over the lake this storms could get strong sometimes. So yeah, so oh yeah, some of these areas we're picking up 70-mile-per-hour wind gusts as we can see in that yellow area, 73, 75, easily 75 right in here somewhere. So yeah, but the Sleeping Bear Dunes we can see winds of easily 60 miles per hour over that right now as we're speaking. Yeah, there's some strong winds, guys, on here as we're speaking. So all right, so all right, so everyone, so also it looks like in this area of trying to see what this thing is actually gonna say. Is there rain here? So looks like some of these areas we're picking up some I gotta say some wind gusts is at 40 something miles per hour in some of these areas. 50. We're gonna say. All right, so we're gonna of course take a look at our see our heavy rain. Yeah, we got some heavy rain about to move into here, and then like the next how long? Let's see if this thing wants to ever click because I don't know. Sometimes it just does that. And then next soon, pretty soon here. So this over here, it looks like we got some light rain, a moderate rain over here, but still some strong winds. It looks like on there somewhere maybe, but let's see if it is still strong. Okay, some areas are still picking up some strong winds at 65 miles per hour. We see on here everyone also, guys. Then Clintonville, we can see doesn't, but it doesn't. But to me, it doesn't look as big as before. So it does not. It's like remember how big it was before? Like it was actually a lot bigger than this. So looks like the wind velocity thing is shrinking, and that's a really good thing. That's telling me a lot. So a lot of this just telling me it's weakening. So it's telling me it's a weakening storm that's like shrinking. So that's a good thing. So all right, everyone. So. All right, it looks like we got a new severe thunderstorm warning that was issued at 9:15 p.m. CDD time. If this thing ever wants to click, so is this Iowa? Iowa, yeah. Okay. Okay. There it is. Okay. 9:15 p.m. at the National Weather Service of Des Moines, Iowa. Severe thunderstorm warning for Polk County in central Iowa, and eastern Madison County in central Iowa, southeastern Dallas County in central Iowa, western Warren County in south central Iowa until 10 p.m. CDD time. Severe thunderstorms located near West Des Moines, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. We see on here 60 mile per hour winds and quarter size hail. We see public reported quarter size hail in the side of Des Moines metro area. Hail of damage in vehicles, expect wind damage for sliding in trees. Des Moines, West Des Moines, Urbandale, Endodale, Norwalk, Windsor Heights, Thurso, Vinmore, Jordan Creek Town Center, Des Moines International Airport. We can see Valley, West Mall, Albertson, St. Event Center, St. Charles, on here, New Virginia, Troy, Martinsdale, Cumming, Patterson, Interstate 35 between mile markers of 40°72. Interstate 80 between mile markers of 109, 127, 235 between mile markers of 1 and 3. If you're expected to move to the interior, remember the lowest for tornado watch remains effective until 10 p.m. CT time for central and south central Illinois. Max hail size 1 inch and maximum gusts of 60 miles per hour. We can see everyone. So I'm gonna eventually end the stream here, guys, because I feel like the tornado warning is gone, guys. So I'm gonna eventually end the stream here in a minute or two because there's not much going on really anymore, guys. Because like, sometimes it just might get boring because there's not like enough like things to talk about. So because like there's only 5 severe thunderstorm warnings before, like that's still a bit of severe thunderstorm warnings, but you know what I mean. It's just like it's supposed to start to get boring because there's not much to talk about anymore. We have 0 tornado warnings now, so I'm gonna let you guys go in a minute. So I appreciate all the support tonight on the stream. Thank you for chatting with me, also coming out tonight, talking and listening to me about talking about the severe weather tonight. Also, thank you for the 5 new subscribers. I'll try to get to 100 because we're already at 94, guys. So thank you for watching again, guys. Make sure to subscribe, notification bell. You never miss important live coverage like this.